resonance. And this is how you will represent the same molecule in multiple ways. So this carbon with three oxygens around it, this is the way, its Lewis structure is drawn. The other way you can draw this, though, is that you can imagine taking this bonding pair of electrons, putting it on this oxygen, and then when that happens, take this bonding pair of electrons, put it into this bond. Now you should have one bond here and two bonds here, and that's what's going on here. One bond here, two bonds here. This molecule, we can now take this bonding pair of electrons, put it in this bonding region, and then we can take this double bond, one of the lone pairs, put it back on this oxygen. So now we should have two bonds here, one bond here, and you can see we have two bonds here, one bond here. This is called resonance, and in reality, molecules, this carbon with three oxygens around it, is a hybrid of all three of these. So the actual molecule that's in your everyday life, this molecule here, is actually carbon with one and then a third of an extra bond to oxygen. So there is 1.3 bonds to this oxygen, 1.3 bonds to this oxygen, and 1.3 bonds to this oxygen. Add those all up, that's 1.3 plus 1.3 plus 1.3. There are four total bonds, but there's not one here and two here. There's 1.3, 1.3, 1.3. So you average, it's like a hybrid of all of these, and that's what's actually happening. Similarly, this is this oxygen, and this is this ozone molecule, and same idea. In reality, there is not two and one. There is 1.5 bonds here, 1.5 bonds here, and that's what the real molecule is, a conglomerate of these two. There's kind of like it's a hybrid.